In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable above 4G decoding on BioStar motherboards. First, turn on or restart your PC. Then, press the delete key repeatedly while your computer is starting up to open the BIOS setup. You can use the arrow keys to move through the menu tabs. Above 4G decoding only works when your computer is set to UEFI boot mode. So, before you enable it, let's go to the Advanced menu and make sure that CSM support is turned off. Move the selection and choose CSM configuration. On most newer motherboards, CSM support is already off by default. Press the Escape key to go back to previous menu. Move the selection and choose PCIe subsystem settings. Here, find the above 4G decoding option. Press Enter to enable it. When you are finished, press F10 to save your changes and restart your computer. You can go back into the BIOS setup one more time to check that the setting has been enabled correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.